how to edit button color in Squarespace. So first, go to your Squarespace website, of course. Now next, click on the edit button at the top. Now click on site styles icon here at the top right corner. Next is just click on colors here. Now look for the colors that you want to use. So let's say for this example, I want to use this. Click on the arrow here. Next is just choose a color theme. So let's say I want to use the color theme, the bright 2. Click on it. Okay, next what you want to do is just click on the button that you want to change the color of. Great. So just like this. So now you can see all of the color here. So let's say I want to change the primary button background. So right now it is green. So I want to change it to, let's customize it. I want to change it into red. So as for the text here, the shop all, let's say I want to turn it into black or gray. Let's say black. Okay. Now after that, just click on save and you're done. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.